Well, it's time to talk markets trading at the Nigerian Exchange Limited. Mr. Rotimi Fakayejo is joining me via phone. Mr. Fakayejo, are you there? Gainers for today, we have 0.07. That's the performance of the market. Gainers, we have Transcorp, we have RT Briscoe, we have International Breweries, we have Academy Press, we have Link Assurance. For losers for today, we have Prestige Assurance, we have Jaiz Bank, we have WAPCO, we have Lasaco, and we have Sovereigns. Mr. Fakayejo, are you there now? All right, Mr. Fakayejo is not there. My colleague Effiong will be joining us very shortly for us to look at the market figures. Now, Effiong is while seated in the studio. Now, Effiong, the market is up 0.07%. What is your assessment to the performance today? Transcorp is topping the list of gainers. That looks good.
Yes, those who have been taking advantage of the market situation to sell and then take money out of it. At the same time, they created opportunity for those who also see that the lower prices can allow them to come in to take cheap equities. So that's the reason you see them beginning to buy in. And of course, the buying in is not at a very large proportion because the cautious trade is still on the minds of many of the people. And so the performance of Transcorp is the expected. Transcorp is becoming a very big.
Yes, so Mr. Todola is even showing interest in that. Let's
lucrative company.
Get Mr. Fakayejo so that we come back to the studio to wrap up this conversation. Mr. Fakayejo, over to you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, they are seeing life come back in a very small way to the market. And I think that is quite good. Having overheard your conversation with Econ, I think Transcorp is becoming the flagship for now in the market because it has moved almost 100% from the last time the price started going up when Mr. Todola showed interest in the company and the news got to the investing public. So I think that definitely is affecting the market positively. We do not know how this may last, but I believe strongly that maybe until it's done with the acquisition, people believe that whatever he has taken definitely will remain with him. Until then, the market may still continue to have an upward swing concerning Transcorp PLC. And the results are coming in, and I believe that all of them should round off before the end of the month.
I see Jaiz Bank, the losers list today, Prestige Assurance, WAPCO, Lasaco, about 3 insurance firms here. What is responsible for this?
Well, I think for the insurance company, you will see that the very viable ones in the likes of custody, in the likes of Mansard, and I think one or two other ones, we are not seeing those ones in the losers list. But these ones, their results have not been commensurate with expectations. So definitely there will be a reaction to whatever that is being expected from them. So definitely what we are seeing is just a response from the investors.
Mr. Fakayejo, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate this. All right, then, if you get up.
I think that for a long time to come, we are going to see Transcorp playing in the big league, along with companies like Airtel Africa, MTN, WAPCO, and Dangote Cement. As investors wish to cross over and then look into the company, performance will be the key. And after having said this, we still have to note that the financial securities are still very liquid. Investors are still hopping in. And so when you talk about the top players today, you talk about Fidelity, Zenith, GT, Bank, and Lasaco, all of them playing in the financial subsectors, which is the interpretation is that people are really looking for liquid securities to hold so that they can easily get into the markets and get out when it matters. As it is now, you may not be able to say exactly the direction of the markets where it will go, because even as we are trading in the positive territory now, you cannot be sure that we will stay long because of the cautious trade. I had been saying, until we inaugurate a new administration and it sets direction and where it's going, the market will be on and off. Investors will continue to sit, on the window, on the fence, just as it is, because you don't want to burn your fingers exactly as it is. You know that money is still very scarce too, as it is now. We've not been able to get the hold of it, especially if you want to make. Let me even just drop that. Right, yeah. Talk about infrastructure. We still have a problem with it. Yeah. And all of them affecting the dividend payout of these companies. And so we are approaching half year of of this particular 23. So when we do, let's say 2 months time, you'll be able to look. The important thing is that between now and June, you are not even knowing exactly. It's like we've lost that part as it is.
All right,
so
then.
That's the situation.
All right, then. Thank you so much, Fingercup, for your analysis as usual. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.
Well, let's go.